So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to disable escalation scheduler on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website and log into your account right here, and after that select this profile icon and now select access Zoho CRM. Now guys, you have to select this settings icon and now go with this option called case escalation rules. Now as you can see guys, after coming on this page you can see this button right here called disable escalation scheduler. So you just need to select this, and as you can see your escalation scheduler has been disabled. So that's how you guys can disable your escalation scheduler on Zoho CRM. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.